friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the AOC AGON Pro AG254FG with 360Hz and NVIDIA Reflex. So friend, AOC has announced the AOC AGON Pro AG254FG with 360Hz and NVIDIA Reflex. And friend, this is the first model launched in the AGON Pro category, brings cutting edge technology to the gamers that require legendary specifications. So friend, 24.5 inch means 62.2 centimeter AGON Pro AG254FG employs a fast IPS panel with full HD resolution and 360Hz refresh rate for unbeatable gaming performance, combined with 1 millisecond GTG response time and NVIDIA G-Sync with NVIDIA Reflex latency engineer to minimize system latency. And friend, this monitor sports a powerful design for the best gamer out there and was bestowed the Red Dot Design Award. And friend, the three-side frameless frontal design is reliably minimal to reduce distraction, and shadow shield increases visibility when the stage lights shine bright during tournaments. And friend, on the back side, the monitor features strong lines and striking accents of the AGON Light FX Rgb Lighting, which provides 14 lighting modes and 10,000 seconds of Rgb light combination that can be customized with the special AOC software G menu. And friend, the AGON logo projection on the front also increases the flair for gamers to show their unique gaming style. And friend, this eSport grade monitor supports 110% sRGB coverage too for truly vivid and natural color reproduction, and offers wide viewing angles of 178° by 178°. And friend, this monitor has a native NVIDIA G-Sync processor with a variable refresh rate range of 1 to 360Hz, eliminating stutter and tearing by matching the refresh rate of the monitor with GPU's frame rate. And friend, this monitor comes with an ergonomic height, swivel, pivot and tilt adjustment stand. And friend, this monitor will be available from September 2021 at a MRP of €699.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.